Welcome friends, I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor. So friend, in this video we will stylize the promo H3 because I show you that I made this H3 tag inside the content. Photo editing services and web development services and something more I go about, and graphic designing services. So all these tags are inside the H3. So I will stylize that H3. So first of all I will write here dot promo H3. So friend, here first of all I will give it font size 1.1 em, and now I will give some margin to it, margin 0. And friend, now I will give dot promo P because P tag is also been used inside the promo. So friend, here I will use line height 1.2 em. I also give some font size to it, 0.9 em. Margin bottom 0.5 em. Control S to save. So here I will call the promo class first. I will give background repeat no slash repeat. Friend, now I will come out and I will call here promo dot 1, and inside it I will use some background image URL parenthesis and semicolon to close. And first of all here I will write the folder name images, webd mean web development dot png. Control S to save. I would like to show you this image. I go to my images folder. So friend, this is the first promo D image and its extension is png, and the other one is second one is this photo editing, and there is also third one GP graphic designing. So friend, I come back here and now I will call the promo 2 here, dot promo dot 2. And here I will once again call the background image URL parenthesis and semicolon to close images, and here I will write the image name photo slash editing, and JPG is extension. So friend, I come out of it and here I will call the promo 3. And once again I will give an image URL and semicolon to close. First of all, I will give the folder name images, and then I will write the image name gp.jpg. It's also jpg image. So now friend, I come here and refresh this page. So friend, you see that all these images are showing here. Web development image is not showing here. I see that what's the problem, but these two images, graphic designing and photo editing images, is showing here. So now I go back to my web, actually not the when, Control D to save, and now I come here and refresh this page. So now friend, this is the web designing and this is the graphic designing. Actually alignment is not right. Here should be, I give the gp.jpg, and here I will write the photo editing, photo/editing.jpg. Control S to save. I come here and I refresh the page. Now friend, all the images are right. This image is for photo editing, and this image is for graphic designing, and this image is for web development. And as you are watching, that text is overlapping these images, so it does not matter, we will stylize it. But friend, I will come in next video and begin my work over it.